Hi, this is part 3 of the Flappy Bird game that we're making. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the Flappy Bird go to the edge, and then when it goes to the edge, it will go to next level. So like when the Flappy Bird touches the edge, it will go to the next level. That's what I'm going to show you how to do. So now, first we need more levels. So click on stage and then go to backdrops. Then hover over the back picture over here and then press paint. I already got the exact same color, but if you didn't, just click on the eye drops after you clicked on fill. Click on the eye drop and then click on one of your barriers, and then you should get the exact same color. So I got my ground now, and then I'm going to make my barriers real quick. So that's what okay. Okay, now I got okay. Okay, now I got that. I'm gonna just make little details because, you know. Okay, now I did that. This is my level 2, so it can't be that hard. So now you can, I made the level 2, and then go back to the ball code. So now, drag in a when flag clicked, and then go to control and get it forever, and then get a if statement, and then go to settings and get a touching mouse pointer, but we don't want it to be mouse pointer, we want it to be edge. So click on the mouse pointer and then you click on edge. If touching edge, go to control and get a repeat 10 times. But I'm going to change it to 1, so it will only repeat once. And then motion, go to motion and move 10 steps. Now look. Okay, now okay. Sorry, sleep. No. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna see why it's not working. So instead of that, since it's not working, I'm gonna do this. What are these? What's the coordinates? So I'm gonna just find out the coordinates. So when flag click forever if, and then let's see. Okay. Okay, why is that not working? So let's just see why it didn't work. If touching edge, repeat once next. Oh, I don't. Okay, repeat once. Repeat once next backdrop. Let's see. It should work now. Okay, let's see. Yeah, see, it works. It works. But since we're staying at the same place, it's glitching a lot. It's glitching a lot. See? So now we have to just get this, duplicate that, and then there. So now look. Okay. Ugh. Okay, now it works. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was a glitch. Oh yeah, I forgot. We have to draw the borders for this one too. That's why it just went to the next level. It's actually not the next level, it's the level before. Okay, let me just get it. Perfect. Okay. Now I'm gonna do this side. Okay, now we got now if it touches the edge it won't go to the next level. So now we have to create more levels. You can create however you want. I'm just going to draw little quick levels. Not going to be that creative. Not going to be like that much advanced. Because it's just for demonstration purposes. I'm not going to share any of these. Okay. Now. Okay. Now I'm going to I'm going to draw more. Not that. Okay. Now I'm going to just get that one. There. So now that's level 3. So now look. So now I'm going to just save it. And then now look. We got the balls. Okay, this is the start level. And then okay. There. So that's and yeah, we have to do the border for this one too. Okay. Okay. Now I drew the borders. You can create how many levels you want, but I'm gonna just stick with 3. So now I'm gonna create one more backdrop, and then I'm gonna just put borders so it will look nice. It actually looks so cool. So okay. Now I'm gonna create a human sign. So I'm gonna go to text and get a blue. I'm gonna choose blue and marker. You win. Okay. You win. My ball looks a little too big. I'm gonna just change the size to 70. Maybe 80. So, okay. It looks good. Now I drew the human sign. And then, if they want to play more, they can, if they go to the edge, they'll go back to backdrop 1. So, now we're going to do this. So when flag clicked, it will go to the backdrop 1. So when flag clicked, backdrop 1. We have to go to looks and then get switch change. No, switch backdrop to backdrop 1. I didn't name them, so yeah. So now look, we got the ball going. There, and then they can play again. So now I'm gonna do music. So I'm gonna go to sound. I mean, you don't have to click on that. You can just click on the sounds. You can choose whatever sound you want, but I don't want any of these. I'm gonna find one, and then okay, funky. Okay, okay, that sounds good. I'm gonna see another one that I know. Dance energetic. I'm gonna use dance funky. Dance funky. Okay, I got dance funky. So when flag clicked forever, play dance funky. So go to sound and then get play sound dance funky until done. So you can choose whatever you want. Again, I'm going to show you how to get whatever sound you want. So choose sound after you go to sound over here. Choose the sound and you can choose whatever you want. So you can choose whatever you want. That's it for a game that we're creating. So look, this is what you should have got, but the backgrounds and music were probably different. So now you got the bird moving, moving sign. There. This is what the Flappy Bird game is. Just change that to Flappy Bird if you want. Flappy Bird. Okay. That's my Flappy Bird game. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more videos coming. Bye.